Oh, hey there, guys. I didn't see ya. Welcome to my presentation on nematodes. So the phylum we will be discussing is once again nematodes or Nematoda. Nematoda have a huge range in size. They can range from 3/4 of an inch to 30 feet in length. The most common ones are much smaller, and so you won't be seeing many 30 feet Nematoda. They have a mouth and a gut for digestion, which makes them heterotrophic, or they find and eat. And they have a layer of skin called epidermis, which is tissue made of cellular material, which essentially means they do not have a cell wall. Where do they live? Well, Nematoda can be found at literally every corner of the Earth, from ocean bottom to mountaintop, and North Pole to South Pole. How do they reproduce? Well, they reproduce the exact same way humans reproduce. A male fertilizes the female egg, and the female gives birth to baby Nematoda. Can Nematoda move? They certainly can, but have trouble moving from side to side due to their skeletal structure, which essentially means they only move in a linear direction. So here's the Nematoda in a phylogenetic tree. Their two main classes are Adenfuria and Ceturenti. Now, one specific example of a Nematoda is Spirarita, or the common name Senbicentimen, which roughly translates to trail worm. Our second example is Tylenchita, or commonly known as Chromadoria. And our final example is the Aphelinchita, or the common name Hasuchumen, which is roughly translated to elephant crab. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned a lot.